students and welcome in this video. So in this video we are going to learn the next chapter of geography, agriculture. So first we will learn the meaning of the agriculture. So how this word origin we will see. See, this is the Latin word. The Latin word agri or this agri, it meaning soil, and culture means cultivation. Cultivation means growing crops. So the meaning of the agriculture is soil cultivation, means growing crops on the in the soil. Okay. So now we will see it is the primary activity. In this chapter we will see agriculture, how it is a primary activity. We will see the types of culture or types of agriculture. Again we will see the farming in the India and how the farming in the USA. Okay. So first we will see this agriculture, it is the primary activities. How I will explain that. See, we are growing plants, means farmer growing the plants. For example, we will take, suppose sugar cane is there. Okay. Suppose any farmer grow the sugar cane, and then that sugar cane sent to the sugar factory. Then after the processing we can get sugar. So the plant or the sugar cane, it is a primary activity. Okay, it is the primary activity, and then we can get the finished products, means finished product of the sugar cane, it is a sugar. Again we can getting the jaggery also, means that whatever after the processing, which products we are getting, that are called the finished products. Understood? So the plants or whatever crops the farmer grow in the land, that products are called that crops are called primary. Okay, so one by one we will see that three types of economic activities. So whatever production there are in the world, that all production having three economic activities. First primary, then secondary, and then tertiary. Means these are the three economic activities in whole the world. So first we will see the primary. In the primary economic activity, the extraction and production of natural resources, means whatever crops that farmer grow in the land, that crop, or he rearing that we can say the animals, or we can say that them livestock, that animals, means that farmers rearing or keeping the animals, for example cow, buffalo, ox, goat, sheep, these animals the farmer rearing. So these are all the natural resources. These are the, because from nature we are getting that all everything. After sowing the seeds, we can get the crops. Okay, so these are the natural resources. So that resources or that production is called a primary. Next is secondary, means after getting these resources, this production sent to the factories. Just I told you here one example, sugar cane, the farmer sent to the sugar factory, and after some processing we are getting the sugar. Okay, so this is the processing of the resources, it is the secondary economic activity. So third activity is tertiary, means in this activity support primary and secondary sector. How we will see this? See, from farm we that farmers send the sugar cane to the sugar factory. How? By using any vehicle, truck. Okay, so that trucks, or sometimes the banks provide loans to these factories or industries. So this tertiary support primary and secondary sector. To take these natural resources to industries, we need some vehicles. Okay, and to run these industries, the secondary activities need some financial support. So this support from where they getting? Tertiary. Understood these three economic activities: primary, secondary and tertiary. Now we will see now what is meant by agriculture. Means in agriculture which things are including. Agriculture includes growing crops, fruits, vegetables, flowers and rearing of livestock. Means see, in agriculture activity, growing crops, for example wheat, rice, like these crops. Again fruits, growing fruits, vegetables, flowers and rearing livestock. Means just I told you that animals, rearing animals like buffalo, cow, goat, sheep. Okay, so these all things are including in the agriculture. Okay, so from the world, 50% of the world's population, 50% of world's population is engaged in agriculture activity. See, 50% of the world's population engaged in agriculture activity, means half of the population engaged in agriculture. Next, 2/3 of India's population. Now we are seeing about our India. 2/3 of India's population is dependent on agriculture. See, 2/3 of India's population is dependent on agriculture. So now we will see the factors influencing the agriculture. Which factors are affected on the agriculture? First one is soil and second one is climate. So we need soil. Okay, for agriculture we need fertile soil. So that land on which crops are grown, that is known as soil. Means on which land we can grow crops, that land is called a soil. Next, climate. If there is a too hot, then crops cannot grow. If too cold, then also we cannot grow crops. Means we need suitable climate for growing crops. Okay, so climate should be suitable for growing crops. Till here you understood? So next lecture we will see the different types of agriculture or culture. Okay, thank you.